traffic coming through that giveaway line. Whenever there's a slip road, Laura, always check there's no traffic coming in from that right hand side. Yeah? Even if there's no giveaway line, always check. Never assume.
A little touch further up we've got a flyover, and that's why we're in lane 2. We're going over this flyover. But as the left lane leaves, you can usually expect a lane joining from the left hand side the other side. And that's exactly what goes on here. And we're going to look at our options that we have when dealing with this situation.
Well done for correcting your speed there as well. Good job.
What should be going through your mind at this point if you know a slip road is approaching is who's to our right lane. Always have an escape route and have this as an option. We do mention this a little later, but it's difficult to cram all these things in for the learner driver.
Try not to go back out near that line.
Okay.
No,
Yeah,
stay in the middle. Stay in the middle and adjust speed. Adjust speed for the black one. Is there another one next to us? Now, what should we do?
I was about letting him out, but
So why did you slow down when they slowed down? You did exactly the same as them.
Okay.
You were staying behind them.
Right.
They slowed down. What should you have then done?
Sped up.
Sped up.
Okay.
Onto
That's
it.
fine. Yeah.
You've got to adjust your feet more.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You cannot just stare at things and just do nothing and hope the problem goes away.
No.
Which is really what that one did as well.
Yeah.
Yeah? They weren't picking up on the fact that we were holding back behind them. They just saw a car.
Okay. That's fine.
Do you get it?
Yeah.
You can't
That's
just...
why I was holding back because I know you're supposed to let them off. So that's why I slowed them.
No. Actually, the giveaway is for them.
Right, okay.
You should try and do as much as you can to help.
Okay.
But, honestly, they've got to help themselves a little bit as well. But as soon as you saw them slow, when they weren't going to take that good gap you gave them,
Then
yeah,
you should have... That's
change.
fine. Okay.
There was another option there as well we could have possibly thought about. What was it?
If I didn't let him out.
So we could slow down,
Yeah.
we could speed up. What else could we do?
You could have changed lanes.
Great. And that should be in your mix of solutions, if you like. Yeah? Because there wasn't much to the right hand side.
No.
But where we were and where we were dealing with it, it was too close to the action for me to then tell you to do all the things that we needed for a lane change.
Yeah.
It was a simpler fix just to either hold back or speed up.
That's fine. Yeah.
But I can't tell you to do one or the other. It's always to the situation. Yeah? Constantly to the situation. But change your feet more. Don't just hope things are just going to happen and fix. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's about adjusting your car speed. Always.